How to make money with Clearvoice. Hi, I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can start making money on Clearvoice. Clearvoice is a content marketing website that persons go on for help with their SEO or overall with the outreach of their brand to help increase their brand presence online. But we'll be using Clearvoice to make some money. And in case you didn't know, Clearvoice was recently acquired by Fiverr, hence why you see a Fiverr company right below their logo right here in the top left-hand corner. So you probably have figured it out. We'll be doing some freelancing today. Once on clearvoice.com, you're going to go right here where you see solutions, and you can select any one of these options right here to get a quick look on what they're all about. Then you are going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. And from here, we are going to tap on For Freelancers. Then you'll see the option right here, and you can simply enter your first and last name. Then tap on Get Started. And once you have tapped on Get Started, you'll be led to this page again where you'll fill in the rest of your information. And after doing that, you'll be able to start getting some freelancing work. It's quite easy to fill out. And as you can see right here, all you'll have to do is fill out your CV, organize your CV for work, and you'll be able to start getting some freelancing work. And when it comes to Clearvoice, you'll be able to earn money via PayPal as they pay their freelancers via PayPal, as you can see here. When you work as a freelancer with Clearvoice client, you will get paid via PayPal upon assignment approval. No messy invoices or waiting period. It's the 21st century. And again, they are a reputable brand, so you're certain that you'll be getting your money. And how will you be able to get your assignments? Once you have created a CV, you can apply to join the Clearvoice Talent Network. And Clearvoice matches clients' assignments with freelancers in the talent network based on industry, pay rate, and experience. Clients receive a list of Clearvoice freelancers who match their needs. So with this, they will actually go out there and look the jobs for you. So all you'll have to do is upload your CV, and that's it. Clearvoice will get the work for you. Then you have to do the job, and you will get paid once you put in the assignment that you are given. And that's it. And yes, there are a lot of jobs available on Clearvoice, but I do believe that they have some of the highest level freelancers. So unless you're a good freelancer or you're willing to put in the work, I don't think Clearvoice will be for you. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.